Okay, let's continue. Okay, next and last. Dito naman, we will still apply the butterfly method. This time in the case of multiplication of fractions. Ito mas simple to, no? To apply the subtraction method, almost similar dun sa regular natin ginagawa, no? Okay, simply multiply the numerator by the numerator. So 3 multiplied by 4 will give us 12. 5 multiplied by 4 will give us 20. Then again, tingnan natin, no, just what number can divide both 12 and 20. 12 and 20, they are both even numbers. So what even number can equally divide 12 and 20? We can common factor nila yung 4, di ba? So we can divide both 12 and 20 by 4. So 12 divided by 4 will give us 3. 20 divided by 4 will give us 5. So, ganun kasimple, ganun kadali, no? And halos walang pinagkaiba dun sa traditional method, no? When we go about multiplying fractions. Okay? So, that concludes yung discussion natin sa use of butterfly method from subtraction to addition to division and multiplication. Okay, babus.